Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech, your go-to channel for in-depth tech reviews. Today we're taking a look at the J&D Cat 8 Ethernet cable, a high-performance networking cable that promises lightning-fast speeds, strong interference resistance, and universal compatibility. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in. Speed is everything when it comes to networking, and the J&D Cat 8 Ethernet cable delivers on this front. With a bandwidth of up to 2000 MHz and blazing fast transmission speeds of up to 40 Gbps, this cable far surpasses traditional Ethernet standards. Whether you're into competitive online gaming, HD streaming, or high-speed downloads, this cable ensures a lag-free and ultra-smooth experience. One of the standout features of this cable is its SFTP, or Shielded Foiled Twisted Pair design. This upgraded shielding helps to effectively reduce electromagnetic interference and radio frequency interference, ensuring a stable and reliable connection even in high-density networking environments like data centers. Unlike standard FFTP cables, this design provides enhanced confidentiality and stronger interference resistance for a more secure connection. Durability is another strong suit of the J&D Cat 8 Ethernet cable. It's made from high-flex PVC material, which makes it waterproof, corrosion-resistant, and highly flexible for both indoor and outdoor use. The gold-plated RJ45 connectors enhance conductivity, oxidation resistance, and corrosion resistance, ensuring stable and long-lasting network performance, whether you're using it at home or in a professional setting. A great bonus is that this cable supports Power over Ethernet, or PoE, across all lengths. That means you can power devices like PoE cameras without needing an additional power supply, making installation much easier and reducing cable clutter. The J&D Cat 8 Ethernet cable is equipped with RJ45 connectors, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, including computers, gaming consoles like PS5, Xbox and Switch, routers, modems, network switches and more. It's also backward compatible with Cat 7, Cat 6e, Cat 6, Cat 5e and Cat 5 cables, so you won't have to worry about upgrading your entire network setup. Overall, the J&D Cat 8 Ethernet cable is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for ultra-fast speeds, strong interference resistance, and universal compatibility. Whether you're a gamer streamer or just need a reliable wired connection, this cable is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews here on Alltech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.